They erased the record, piece by piece.
Changed names, buried truth, rewrote bloodlines.
They thought we were still asking. But something had already shifted. "2026 wasn't protest. It was war. We didn't destroy the world. We took control of it.
We paid for this world.
And we keep it.
They told us we came from nothing.
They needed us to believe that.
I've seen the old records. Broken timelines, rewritten names.
They buried the truth, but they couldn't erase it.
It stayed in us, passed down without words.
In our blood, in how we moved, how we endured.
2026.
That's when everything changed.
They thought it was just another protest.
Another moment they could outlast.
But it wasn't a moment.
It was a decision. They called it war.
It was correction. We paid for this world.
In blood, in time, in truth.
And now...
Now we don't forget.
We don't repeat.
And we don't bow.
Let them remember.
Freedom wasn't given. It was taken.